We are starting a series to cover basic to advanced level concepts for data science and machine learning. In this video, we will understand what is machine learning. Machine learning and artificial intelligence use analogy of human brain, which sees or hears something and make a perception about it. There is a probability of this perception being right or wrong. When our brain interacts with an unseen object, it cannot identify it. However, being presented with the information multiple times, there is high chance that it learns about that object. Our brain stores details about objects in memory, and based upon the details, it attempts to identify things. Machine learning works in very similar way. We train a model by providing details about certain objects. These details are called features. Based upon the features, a machine learning model attempts to recognize, classify, forecast, or group objects. Machine learning can answer questions such as, what will be weather like tomorrow? What are expected property prices in a certain area? Or predicting chances of a person having a disease or not having the disease. Now, question is how machines implement the concept of learning. The answer is data. Machines learn from data. So what is data for machines? In simple words, a data set is a collection of examples to train a machine learning model. Each example provides features for a given object. Machines learn from this data and attempt to make predictions on unseen data. This is all for this video. In coming videos, we will learn more about data sets and types of machine learning. You will find links to upcoming videos in the description below. Thank you very much for watching.